Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you how to let specific friends see your future posts on Facebook using your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Facebook. Step 2. Click on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Now, click on Settings and Privacy to access your account settings. Step 4. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Step 5. On the left-hand side, click on Privacy to manage your privacy preferences. Step 6. Click on Privacy again. Step 7. Next to Who can see your future posts? Click on Edit. Step 8. From the drop-down menu, select More. Step 9. Choose specific friends from the options. Step 10. Check the circle next to the names of the friends you want to allow and click on Save Changes. By following these simple steps, you can ensure that only specific friends can see your future posts on Facebook. It's a great way to share personal updates, photos, and videos with those you trust the most. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Stay connected and keep exploring.